solving simultaneous equation. Okay, the last time I taught you simultaneous equation was by using elimination method. Now we're gonna do substitution method. Okay, so over here, how do you do substitution method? I promise you it's not difficult. As long as you're willing to try, I'll make sure you get it. Okay, the question I'm going to use now is what you did for your homework. That question, question 3. Let's take a look. Eunice did this question just now. So 3x plus 5y equals to 10, x minus 2y equals to 7. She used elimination method. She got the answer, y equals to minus 1, x equals to 5. So this is the correct answer. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the same question now. But instead of elimination method, I'm going to show you using substitution method. Substitution. Okay. We should and we must arrive at the same answer. If the answer is different, it means either I'm wrong or Eunice is wrong. Okay? Everybody clear? Okay, so now let's run through this. What is the substitution method? Okay? The substitution method is slightly more difficult. You pay attention first, later I let you copy. Okay, even if you don't get to copy, never mind, it's on video. You can go and slowly copy. Over here, right, the thing is substitution method is more difficult because you have to be able to make one of the variables the subject of the formula. What do I mean? You must be able to express either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. That may be challenging for some of us. So what I suggest now is this. Watch here. The trick is this. The trick is this. Look at the coefficient of x. You see this 3x. Coefficient of x is 3, right? What's the coefficient of y, everybody? 5. Over, look at the second equation. What's the coefficient of x? 1. Coefficient of y is? 2. Not 2. Look carefully. Negative 2. Okay, so over here, if you can find any of the coefficient of x or y, if it is 1 or negative 1, you try to make that variable the subject of the formula. What do I mean? Watch, I'm going to do this now. Over here, I notice that this is 1x. 1x. The coefficient of x is 1. So what I do is I will try to make x the subject of the formula. Watch what happens, So from equation 2, from equation 2, okay, I have x minus 2y equals to 7. Am I correct, Nilo? So my aim is to make x the subject of the formula. What do I mean by make x the subject of the formula? It means can you express x in terms of y? Okay, so over here there's x here, right? So x equals to, how do I express x in terms of y? It means right side we have y, we have numbers. How do I get rid of this negative 2y? Everybody, what do I do? Plus 2y. Bring over to the right side, become plus 2y. So this is 7 plus 2y. Agree with me? Everyone agree? Okay? So over here is 7 plus 2y. Hammer, the plus 2y is not written here. Not written here. This not correct. It is written on the next line. Understood? So over here is written like that. Okay, so from here, so we have x plus 7 plus 2y. So this is form a new equation 3. New equation 3. Notice, this is not the same as elimination method. Elimination method is to try to make the coefficient of x the same or make the coefficient of y the same. Over here, you are not doing that. You are forming a new equation by making x or y the subject of the formula. So from equation 2, right, I make x the subject of the formula. So x equals to 7 plus 2y. Equation 3. So what I need to do now is take equation 3, substitute. That's why it's called the substitution method. Take equation 3, substitute into equation 1. Okay, watch now. I say again. From equation 2, she formed equation 3. So common sense tells you equation 3 must spell up into equation 1. Don't ever do something that is crazy. What do I mean by crazy? Equation 2 form equation 3, equation 3 plug into equation 2. That is the most silliest thing. You know why? If you do that, you will end up with 0 equals to 0. Then you don't know how to solve, cannot solve. The reason why the 0 equals to 0 error happens because you substitute into a wrong equation. Okay? I say again, if from equation 2, you form equation 3. Equation 3 must start with equation 1. Is that okay? Yeah. Let's try again. If I give you another scenario, Gaya, pay attention. If from equation 1, I form equation 3, then my equation 3 must substitute in the equation 2. Everybody clear? I say again, so keep learning. If from equation 1, you form equation 3. Equation 3 sub into equation 2. Are we clear?
Yeah.
If from equation 2, you form equation 3. Equation 3 sub into equation 1. Okay? So Nani? Shemaine, can? 100%. I prove to you now. Okay, 3 sub into 1. Okay, so watch here. 3 equation 1, right? This is 3x. Am I correct? 3x. Instead of x, what do I write? Instead of x, what do I write? 7 plus 2y. So 7 plus 2y. Then plus 5y equals to 10. Okay, watch now. Let's do an expansion. Gaya hits up on it. So what do I have here? Expand this for me, everybody. What do I have? Quick. 21 plus 6y plus 5y equals to 10. 6y plus 5y. 11y. Then there's a 21 here. Bring over becomes what?
10 minus 21.
Guys, 10 minus 21. Very good. So what is 10 minus 21? Negative 11. So Diana, y equals to what?
Y equals to minus 11.
Very good. Long time ago, Diana don't know this, but now you notice every single time I keep asking you the same question, you get it. You know why? Because you're observing pattern. Maths is all about pattern. Once you get the pattern, you see it, you get it. So y equals to minus 1. Finish. Is it the same answer as units?
Yes.
See? Same. So once I find y equals to minus 1, right? Always take this answer, sub into equation 1. Listen, the magic is always sub into equation 3. Some of you say, Mr. Why? Why do I choose equation 3? You know why? Why especially 3? Because it is already in the form of x. X is equals to 7 plus 2 times y. Okay, see? Instead of writing y, I write negative 1. So x is if x is equals to 7 minus 2, x equals to 5. Exactly the same answer as what you listen. Exactly the same. So this, my dear, is the solving of simultaneous equation substitution method. Okay, let's continue over here. If this is your second try on simultaneous equation involving substitution, surely it will be difficult. But the thing is, you must keep trying. This is important. You can do this, and you must not give up. Because I'm not going to give up on you. You're going to keep trying. Okay, you're going to keep trying until you get it. Over here, equation 1, equation 2. I'm trying to solve for x and y using substitution method. So over here, since this is just 1x, right? I will make from equation 1, I make x a subject of formula. So Sunani did this. So she expressed x in terms of y. So x equals to 10 minus 3y. This is from equation 1, form 3. Okay, follow our camera, follow me. So from equation 1, she formed 3. So now after she formed 3, she must substitute in the equation 2. Get it? Follow me. So now in the equation 2. So equation 3 sub in equation 2. So Sonali understand this perfectly. Okay? You understand? So from equation 1, I form 3, 3 sub in the 2. So when I sub in equation 2, right? For those people who don't understand, let me tell you what you do. You just copy down the entire equation 2. Just copy this entire nonsense down. Entire nonsense you copy down. 2x minus y equals to 6. So copy down. Okay? Okay, watch now. Watch the magic. Do you see that x is equals to 10 minus 3y?
Yeah.
So over here, instead of writing x, what do you write? 10 minus 3y. What's it?
What?
Because you see, equation 3, what is equation 3, my dear? Equation 3 is x equals to 10 minus 3y, correct?
Yeah.
So now I'm taking this expression, x equals to 10 minus 3y. So instead of writing x, right, I can write what? 10 minus 3y. So this is called substitution method. Instead of writing x here, I substitute x with 10 minus 3y. Then minus y equals to 6. This, my dear, is your equation 2. This is your equation 2. This is equation 2. Guys, I understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
Are you understand now?
Yeah.
Gaya, you understand now?
Oh, so you just rewrite.
Yeah, just rewrite. Replace. Another word I can use is replace. You replace
Replace the
x with 10 minus 3y. Just copy paste on it.
Okay.
Okay, then I have this. I just solve it. Y equals to 2. Then once I solve it, over here, plug it back into equation 3. Look at equation 3. So 3x equals to 10 minus 3y. So 3 y is 2. So replace y with 2. Solve. Finish.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, watch now. Continue the video. I'm going to do something else. Okay, watch here. This one is for Shemaine. Because Shemaine did this. Okay, watch. X plus 3y equals to 10. Equation 1. 2x minus y equals to equation equals to 6 equals to equation 2. Okay, watch. I'm going to do this now. Video this now, okay? What happens if instead of equation 1, I form equation, I make x a subject of the formula from equation 2. That was what Shemaine did, right? Let me show you what happens, okay? Let me show you. I get my marker first. I show you. It will look more complicated, no?
Yeah, I
See,
know.
from equation 2, right? I make x a subject of the formula. So 2x minus y equals to 6. Nilu, I make x a subject of the formula. So there's a y here, what do? Bring it, tell me, bring it to the right or left, bring it down, up. Bring it to the right. So 2x become what? What is this?
6 plus
Plus
y.
y. So far so good?
Yes.
Okay, watch now. There's a 2 here. You want to make x the subject of the formula. But there's a 2 here. Diana, how do I get rid of the 2?
Bring it down.
Yeah. 6 plus y over 2. Okay, watch now. Gaya, do you notice this one has a over 2? Ugly, right? We don't like this. But you notice this one is so nice. It's 10 minus 3y.
Yeah.
Over here, you have algebraic fraction. That's why it's more ugly. Okay, watch now. I'll just continue. Okay, watch. From equation 2, I form equation 3. So now I substitute 3 into what? Wait, don't say anything. Shemaine, from equation 2, I form equation 3. 2, I form into 3. So 3 sub into equation? 1. So 1. So far so good? Okay, so for those students who don't know one, what you do is, watch here, Ellie. You see equation 1, right? You just copy paste equation 1. See equation 1, just copy paste. Photo stat the whole thing. X plus 3y equals that. You just photo stat this whole thing put down. Is that okay? Okay, now the understanding for Kaka and Jim is, now you realize, instead of writing x, what do you write? Instead of writing x, you replace x with what? 6 plus y over 2 plus 3y equals to 10. Understand? So we can solve this one. We can solve this. So from here, how do we solve? Over here, there's an over 2. Everybody tell me, how do I get rid of 2 in this?
2 cancel the 6 and then the
Now over here, I don't get rid of this 2. What must I do to get rid of this denominator? Instead of divide, my dear, you can do something. You can times something. Times what? Times what? Then the 2 will disappear.
3.
Champion. No, not 3. Try again. Times what?
1.
Not 1.
2.
Yes, times 2. Watch, times 2. If I this term times 2, right? Every term must times 2. Agree or not?
Yes.
Watch, the 2 and the 2. Am I correct to say that you cancel off itself?
Yes.
Therefore, no more denominator lah. Denominator disappears. So this now becomes 6 plus 6 plus y. Okay, plus 6y equals to 20. Watch here. Y plus 6y is 7y. There's a 6. Bring over to the right. 20 minus 6. 14. So y equals to 2. Same answer. See?
Sir, in exam, right, would they ask you for like, do this question in substitute?
Maybe, we don't know. That's why must know both methods. So y equals to 2. Once I solve y equals to 2, I solve y equals to 2, right? How do I find x? Where y equals to 2, sub the equation what? 3. Always use 3. Why 3? Because 3 is already in this form already. X equals to 6 plus, instead of y, I write 2. See, can you see? Over 2. So x is equals to 8 over 2. X is equals to 4. Finish. Exactly the same method, Sonali. Understand? Everybody clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now I move on to the second question. The second question is to solve 3x plus y equals to negative 5, 7x plus 3y equals to 1. Over here, right, let's see what Eunice tried to do. Okay? Over here, again, she tried to say, I tried to make x a subject of the formula. So, from equation 1, 3x plus y equals to 5. Look at what she did. Something very nicely was, she brought the y to the right hand side. So, 3x equals to minus 5 minus y. And then, look at what she did. She formed equation 3. Okay, wait a minute. I need you to understand something. What are we trying to do? We're trying to make x the subject of the formula, right?
Yes.
Notice x equals to something. Okay, Eunice, is this x? No, what is this?
3x.
3x. This is 3x. So by right, what should she do? By right,
Divide.
divide by
3.
3. Very good. So by right from here, right, my dear, this should not be your equation 3. By right, this should continue. X equals to minus 5 minus y over 3. Equation 3. Then this is a whole expression, right? Then you plug it in. But I tell you, it will be very ugly. Very ugly. Because of algebraic fraction. Let me show you a better way. Units is not wrong, you should continue like that. But let me show you a better way. Okay? What is a better way? Watch. The better way is this. Equation 1, from equation 1. Notice just now Eunice chose to make x a subject of the formula.
Yeah.
Look here, what is this? This is 3x plus y equals to minus 5. Look girls, what is this?
One.
It's 1y. 1y. Why would you choose to make x a subject of the formula? This is 1y, my dear. What would you want to do? Instead of making x a subject of the formula, I make y the subject of the formula. So over here, y equals to what? Minus 5. And here, must focus at least. You have to know this. Minus 5 minus 3x. Equation 3. Notice? Minus 5 minus 3x. Okay? Copy down now, my dear. All this got to know.
Is it every time it's like 1y only which means become the
May, yes, correct. If you have 1y or 1x, right, make that the subject of the formula. Because you will not have algebraic fraction, but it's 1y now, or 1x. So that is the trick, folks. That is the trick. Yes.
It's like both
Ready?
equals and y
Go.
and then like
Yeah.
Okay, so just now Kim asked, right, what if I have 3x plus 5 equals to negative 5, 7x plus 3y equals to 1? What if we have a situation whereby your coefficient of x and y, all of them are not 1 or minus 1? Then how? I agree with you. In that situation, your substitution method will be very ugly. And that is also precisely the reason why I suggested to you always use elimination method. Elimination method is easy, very clean, because we will not have algebraic fractions. Okay? But just now over here, I've also proven to you that there will be cases in life whereby substitution method is actually easier. It's more convenient. Okay? You look at this one, just now we talked about it. If you try to do elimination, you must bring the minus 4 to the right hand side, after you do the left hand side, then after you do elimination. But if you do substitution method straight away, you can just do it, just by plugging in. Because y is already in terms of x. So look at the question and decide what you need to do. Let's say for this one, look, 3x plus y equals to negative 5. I make y the subject of the formula, the 3x, bring to the right hand side, so I have minus 5x minus 3x. Okay, so this is equation 3. So what do I do now? Diana, substitute what? 3 into what?
3 to 2.
Very good. Into 2. Okay, wait, so this is 7x plus 3y equals to 1. Am I correct? Nilu, correct? 7 plus 3y equals to 1. So instead of writing y, right? Instead of writing y, now what do I write? Instead of writing y, what do I write?
5 minus 3x.
Minus 5 minus 3x. Very good. So I just write this now. Equals to 1. Okay, now this part is your algebraic skill already. Okay, Gaia, let me test you. What is my next line?
7, 8. 3 rainbow.
Rainbow, correct. So what do I have?
Yeah, plus.
Plus or minus? Plus, minus.
Minus 15.
Very good.
9x.
Then
Plus or minus?
minus
Minus, good.
9, 8.
Very good. Equals to 1. See? Last time maybe you struggled, cannot do. Now can do already. You can do already. We will be doing a lot of this in
No,
chapter
I
5.
said.
Okay, from here, right? Nilu, this is a minus 15. What can I do? Notice this x, this number, this x equals to number. Minus 15, what do I do? Oh, very good. So I have 7x minus 9x equals to 1 plus 15, right? So what is 7x minus 9x? Wait, so Nani, what's 7x minus 9x?
Minus 2.
Very good. Minus 2x equals to 16. So x equals to Diana, what do I have?
16 over minus 2x. Oh, no need x, no need x, no need x.
No x. So x equals to minus 8. So this is one answer. Okay? So once I have this answer, you sub into equation 3. Therefore, y is equals to what? Minus 5 minus 3 times minus 8. So this is minus 5 plus 24. This answer is 19. Okay? Over here, let's take a look at question 3. Okay, this is the last question that I want you to try. Your homework, you have to get this. Okay, how to create simultaneous equation, but then how to solve simultaneous equation using substitution method. So Gaia did this. Take a look. 4y plus x equals to 11. 3y minus x equals to 3. So to solve this, right, what I like was Gaia chose variable x from equation 1. Equation 1, get rid of the 4y, Milu, 4y bringing to the right becomes minus 4y. Can you see that? Diana, okay? Then equation 1, form 3, 3 sub 2. So what is substitute in equation 2? So Charmaine, watch here. This, my dear, is equation 2. So you just, this is your 3y minus x equals to 3. So instead of writing x now, we write 11 minus 4y. Okay, this part is the expansion. Yes, sorry.
So it's like different. Is it the sign number and the difference?
Yes, so you must always take care of the sign, number, and algebra. Always handle the sign first, then the number, then the algebra. That's what we call the rainbow connection. When you do the rainbow connection, right, we are actually doing your sign, number, algebra. What do I mean? Okay, Charmaine, watch. 3y is here, right? Minus is the same as minus 1. Minus times positive 11. Tell me, minus times plus. Let's do the sign first. Minus times plus equals to what?
Minus.
That's why Gaia put a minus here. Next, do the number. This is a minus 1. It's a 1, right? The minus times minus, minus times plus is minus. 1 times 11 is 11. Since there's no algebra here, I ignore. That's why this part is minus 11. Okay? The next part, minus times minus become what? Plus. 1 times 4 is 4y. Sign, number, algebra. That's how we got this one. Now do you understand? Okay? So over here, then what is minus 11? Gaia brought it to the right. 3y plus 4y is 7y. 7y equals to 14. Lisa, 7y equals to 14, y equals to 2. Very good, you know that. So after you do this, right, always substitute equation 3. See equation 3. Equation 3 is x equals to 11 minus 4y. So instead of writing y equals to 2, right, what Gaia did was she replaced y with 2. 11 minus 8 is 3. Very nicely done.
We did it! We did it!